Welcome to Study Loop.
Since there are no non-conservative forces, therefore, if we say that the initial kinetic energy is K subscript 0 and the initial potential energy is PE subscript 0, and then the final kinetic energy would be Kf and the final potential energy would be PEF. So we can take the initial potential energy to be equal to 0 because that's the reference point, and when he reaches the highest point, the skateboarder would be momentarily at rest. So the final kinetic energy will also be 0. So now since K subscript 0 plus PE subscript 0 equals K final plus PE final, and we already said that E sub 0 is 0 and also K sub F is 0. So we can now put some numbers in. 1/2 times M times V squared is equal to mgh, and we can cross out the m on both sides. We don't, since you can divide both sides by m, and now h would be equal to, so let's make h the subject, that would be v squared over 2g. So now let's solve for h. V is 5.4 squared divided by 2 times 9.8, and that gives me h is equal to 1.49 meter.